Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can post multiple pictures on Instagram story. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Instagram and click on the story section and create a story. Okay, then you need to click on the sticker icon on the top and here you need to scroll down and until you will find an option of plus. So let me find an option. So here you can see that with the camera icon, click on that and select a picture from your gallery. So let me select this one. Okay, and click on that and you can find multiple pictures. So let me select this one. Okay, so here you can see, and if you want you can change shape like this. So this is a process by which you can upload multiple photos on Instagram story. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.